Good day, everyone. This is Mr. Tampo. I'm from Malaysia. I have been involved in carrying out air quality assessment for more than 20 years. During abnormal situations, such as auto episodes and fire at hazardous facilities, I had used the NOAA HYSPLIT to carry out air quality analysis and assessment. One of the useful tools found in our HYSPLIT website is the dispersion model. During the analysis, both the forward and back trajectories methodology is being used. If you are interested to understand the dispersion model too, do watch out for our one-day training program. The training will be carried out in two parts, namely the theory of the dispersion model and then followed by the demonstrations and hands-on using the ready website maintained by NOAA. We will keep you all posted from time to time on our next training of this model. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.